So turbo on 1HZ done, Berrima Diesel, well done Baden, you've been working your butt off doing this. Another one over here, nice looking work truck, both of them are work trucks actually. Let's take a look around here. Another neat and tidy 1HZ turbo. And here he is looking over and waiting for his next one to do. Standard 1HZ. What's that doing on there?
That's it. No need for a catch cam on these old things.
Yeah, probably with this thing for sure, not really with the old ones. What do you reckon, Baden? What are you looking forward to doing on this one?
Look, it looks pretty cool. It's got all the Mad Max bars all around it. He's got all the stickers inside, so he loves travelling with it. But it's got a set of extractors like everything. They don't actually do a lot to a 1HZ. So the right thing to do, put a turbo on, tune it properly, and you've got a safe, reliable vehicle to go tour around Australia in.
We've got a few others you've been practicing on. You reckon you get this one right?
Yeah, it should be all good. I've got it down to, on a good day I can get them in about half a day knocked out.
And do some testing and everything?
You get a few hard ones coming in where studs can get you held up for 2-3 hours. Like you saw on one of our posts earlier, a few snap studs sitting in the valley. But of course this has had extractors, we're not going to run into that issue.
It's all been apart before, so it shouldn't be sort of too bad.
Yeah.
See, he's done his radiator and a few things, so not a bad looking rig.
Yeah, should be
What's
good.
this look at from the side? Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah,
The troop, a couple of utes in a troop. Very good. Well done, mate. Thanks for the chat. Well, you know where you can come to Berrima Diesel for a tuning. Make the run to little old Berrima, just south of Sydney. We can look after your 1HZ. Well, TD42 and 5L and 3L, all of them we do, but these are certainly very, very popular in the marketplace. You can see more of these videos. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or berrimadiesel.com. We can find out more about looking after your diesel and turbocharging it properly.